Let's get out of here. A few weeks ago, my wife and I woke up bored, and that's what I said to her. A few hours later, we were in Cancun sipping cocktails, woke up the next day to ocean views, ate enough tacos that we thought we might burst, and enjoyed a steady flow of mojitos until we returned to the real world. Now back in the office, I logged on to see that income was flowing in, business goals were being met, automations were automating, while Sheena, my wife, and I were spending quality alone time in paradise. The business was serving clients without me. Oh, by the way, my name is Dominic Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-Day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom that you deserve. And I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. Now, running a 5-figure, 6-figure, or 7-figure business doesn't mean working all the time, spending very little time with your family, dealing with terrible customers. No. This whole hustle and sleep when I'm dead culture, that's for the birds. I need sleep. A lot of it, actually. You can also sleep, eat, and be merry while taking checks to the bank. It happens with systems. For example, I don't wait at the post office sending out credit dispute letters for thousands of clients. No, I develop an app. By the way, students of the 30-Day CRA program get this for free, that automatically sends out letters, even certified ones. You can find out more by checking out our website, 30daycra.com. So if you're picturing me buzzing on caffeine while answering emails and looking envelopes at all hours of the night, think again. It's much less eventful than that. I wake up, hit the treadmill, read a few emails, hang out with my girls, my 2 daughters and my wife. And if you're pressed for time, trying to build a credit repair business on the side of your full-time job, I can give you the tools to do so. If you want to scale and serve hundreds of thousands of customers, I can teach you how to do that as well. So hope to see you in the 30-Day CRA program. Talk to you soon. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.